Hello everyone, welcome to LVS family. Today I am going to teach you chapter 1 rational number from standard 8. In this chapter, our first topic is that what is rational number. I abbreviate it with Rn. See, it is a number of the form P upon Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Once again, it is a number of the form P upon Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. For example, 0, 1, 100, minus 2, minus 75, minus 3 upon 5, 6 upon minus 5, etc. are rational numbers. Means all positive, negative, fraction, misfraction are rational numbers. After that, we come at the properties of rational numbers. In the properties of rational number, first one is that closure property. For closure property, first we will check for addition. For example, if we take any two rational numbers, then their addition will be also a rational number. Means 3 upon 5 plus 7 upon 5 is equal to 3 plus 7 divided by 5 is equal to 10 upon 5 is equal to 2, which is also a rational number. So we can say that rational number is closed under addition. For subtraction, see, here we have to take two rational numbers. 3 upon 5 minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 3 minus 7 upon 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 5. In the second example, 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7. Here both the numbers are rational numbers. So we can say that rational number is also closed under subtraction. Next, for multiplication. If we take any two rational numbers, 7 upon 5 into 10 upon 9, at last we get 14 upon 9, which is also a rational number. So we can say that a rational number is closed under multiplication. Next, for division. By taking an example, first 7 upon 0, which is not defined, and because of that we can say that rational number is not closed under division, because not defined is not a rational number. There is a note for you. If we exclude 0 from denominator, then rational number will be closed for division. अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट नीचे में से 0 की वैल्यू को अगर हम रिमूव कर दे, एक्सक्लूड कर दे, देन जो भी वैल्यू हमें मिलेगी it will be closed for division. Our next property is that commutativity. In commutativity, the first number is for addition. For addition, if a plus b is equal to b plus a, means after changing the places of both the numbers, if the value of this equal to this, then we can say that rational number is commutative for addition. See here an example. 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. After changing the places of numbers, 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2, we get 4. Here both the value are equal, so we can say that rational number is commutative for addition. Next, for subtraction, by the same example, 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1. Second, after changing the place, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. See here both the values are unequal, means a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So we can say that rational number is not commutative for subtraction. Next one is that for multiplication. For multiplication, by taking example, 3 upon 7 into 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. 7 will be cancelled here. And the next one, after changing the place, we have 7 by 2 into 3 upon 7. We also get 3 by 2. Here both the values are same, means a into b is equal to b into a. So we can say that rational number is commutative for multiplication. Next one is that for division. For division, we can say that 3 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3. Here we change the places of denominator and numerator. So you can say that a by b is not equal to b by a. Therefore, rational number is not commutative for division. Our next basic property is associativity. We also check it for the addition, in which we will take three terms. Any three non-zero terms which are rational numbers in bracket 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. This is the solution of this bracket. 4 by 2 plus 5 by 2, we have 9 by 2. In the second one, 1 by 2, and we have to shift the bracket. In bracket 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, we get 1 by 2 plus 8 by 2, which is the solution of that bracket, is equal to 9 by 2. Both the values are same. So, the value of both the terms after shifting the bracket, we get the same value. So we can say that it is associative for addition. अगर दोनों की वैल्यू ब्रैकेट चेंज करने के बाद भी अगर डिफरेंट आती तो वो एसोसिएटिव नहीं होता. सेम फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन में भी दोनों की वैल्यू डिफरेंट है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन एसोसिएटिव नहीं होगा. Now for subtraction we have to take an example. In bracket 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 7 by 2. After that we shifting the bracket 1 by 2 minus in bracket 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. हमने यहाँ से ब्रैकेट इन दोनों नंबर्स पे शिफ्ट किया इन सेकेंड स्टेप, एंड वी गेट 1 by 2 माइनस, इसकी वैल्यू हमें माइनस 2 by 2 मिल रही है, एंड वी विल पुट इट इन अ ब्रैकेट. सो वी हैव माइनस माइनस इट बिकम्स पॉजिटिव. वी विल राइट 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Here the value of both the terms are unequal. So we can say that in bracket a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus in bracket b minus c. Therefore, a rational number is not associative for subtraction. Same, we come at the multiplication. For multiplication, in bracket 3 into 2 into 5 by 2 is equal to 6 into 5 by 2 is equal to 15. After shifting the bracket, 3 into in bracket 2 into 5 upon 2 is equal to 3 into 5. 2 will be cancelled here, which is also 15. Both terms have same value. So what is here? A into b in bracket into c is equal to a into in bracket b into c. Means both the terms have same value. So we can say that rational number is associative for multiplication. Next one is that for division. By taking an example, in bracket 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, we get 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2, which has value 2 upon 15. By shifting the bracket in the last two numbers, 1 by 2 divided by in bracket 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, we get 1 by 2, and its solution is 3 upon 5, which gives us 516. Here both terms have different value, means these terms are unequal. So you can say that rational number is not associative for division. दोनों की वैल्यू डिफरेंट है, इसीलिए रेशनल नंबर डिवीजन के लिए एसोसिएटिव नहीं है. नेक्स्ट कम एट द रोल ऑफ जीरो. The role of zero means zero is an additive identity for rational number. Why? Because if we add any number with zero, then we get the same number. जीरो क्या है? वो एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी है रेशनल नंबर के लिए, क्योंकि अगर किसी भी नंबर में हम जीरो ऐड करते हैं तो हमको सेम नंबर मिलता है. इन अनदर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ वी ऐड जीरो इन -100, then we will get -100. This is the important thing. Zero is an additive identity. See, the role of 1. 1 is a multiplicative identity for rational number. Why? Because if you multiply 1 with any number, we will get same number. Means if you multiply 7 by 5 with 1, we get 7.5. If you multiply 2 with 1, we will get 2. which is also important thing. One is a multiplicative identity. Next, come at the negative of a number, which is also called the additive inverse. Additive inverse, in this top point, number will not changed, only their sign will be changed. इस टॉपिक में एडिटिव इनवर्स में नंबर चेंज नहीं होता है, ओनली उसकी साइन चेंज होती है. सो -7/5 इट्स एडिटिव इनवर्स इज 7/5. देखिए नंबर सेम है यहाँ पर, ओनली साइन हमने यहाँ से रिमूव कर दिया. सिमिलरली 2, इट्स एडिटिव इनवर्स इज -2. नेक्स्ट, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ अ नंबर विच इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7/5 इट्स मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स इज 5/7. मीन्स इसमें जो न्यूमरेटर पार्ट होता है वो डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट बन जाता है और जो डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट है वो न्यूमरेटर बन जाता है. सिमिलरली इफ देयर इज अ सिंगल नंबर, अ नेचुरल नंबर, देन वी कैन राइट इट 1/2. अगर कोई भी एक नंबर देकर रखा होता है हम उसे 1 के अपॉन में राइट कर देते हैं. सो योर ऑल टॉपिक्स कंप्लीट हियर. वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.